Toyota's hybrid systems have evolved significantly with the introduction of the fifth generation hybrid system, offering improved efficiency and more sophisticated reset procedures. As of 2025, Toyota hybrid system resets are categorized into three main types: soft reset using 12 volts battery disconnect, hybrid battery reset for high voltage systems, and ECU reset for electronic control units. You might need a hybrid system reset if you see specific warning signs on your dashboard, such as a triangle warning light with a check hybrid system message. Other signs include reduced power mode activation, battery calibration issues after replacing the 12-volt battery, software glitches affecting fuel economy, or the need for post-maintenance recalibration. Modern Toyota hybrid systems have become significantly more reliable. 2025 systems are 40% more reliable than 2020 models and require 60% fewer manual resets with enhanced self-diagnostic capabilities. Understanding when a DIY reset is appropriate versus when professional help is needed is crucial. Simple issues like single warning lights or recent battery changes may be suitable for DIY resets, while multiple warnings or persistent problems require professional diagnosis. Modern Toyota hybrid systems are more reliable than ever, but knowing when and why to reset your system helps maintain optimal performance and prevents unnecessary service visits. A soft reset involves disconnecting your Toyota hybrid's 12-volt battery to clear temporary system errors. This method has an 89% success rate and can save you up to $300 in diagnostic fees. Step 1. Turn off your vehicle completely and remove the key or key fob. This ensures all systems begin their shutdown sequence safely. Step 2. Wait 5 minutes for all vehicle systems to completely power down. This waiting period is crucial for the reset to work properly. Step 3. Locate your 12-volt battery, usually in the engine compartment. Disconnect the negative terminal first. It's typically marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Step 4. Wait 15 to 30 minutes with the battery disconnected. Newer Toyota models from 2020 onwards may only need 10 minutes, but 15 minutes is recommended for reliability. Step 5. Reconnect the negative terminal securely and start your vehicle. Let it idle for 5 minutes to allow the hybrid system to recalibrate and complete the reset process. The soft reset is now complete. This procedure has an 89% success rate for resolving common hybrid system issues and can save you $150 to $300 compared to professional diagnostics. If problems persist, consult a Toyota technician.